Hello and welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, my name is Karan and you are watching Plastotech, the world of plastics. So our today's topic, the content that which I am going to deliver today is all about what is draft angle, an important topic of mold, injection molding and many other topics. So you must know what is this draft angle. So guys, the draft angle is quite simple. You can see the two different figure. One figure have a draft angle and one figure doesn't have a draft angle. So what is this draft angle? Draft angle is an angle or taper given inside the mold. What happened? We give a a taper inside a mold so that our molding part, the part which we are molding inside the mold, can eject efficiently, can eject properly without damaging the product or the quality of the product. So guys, draft angle is an important topic so that the part ejection is very complex. Sometimes what happen in the mold, the ejection of the part is very complex, so we use draft angle. The efficient draft angle is given from 0.5 to 2 degrees. Mostly we give this amount of draft angle, but sometimes due to change in the product, due to change in the mold, we can change it also. So guys, let's start with the animation, and with the help of animation you can better know what is this draft angle and how we give the draft angle. So if you are new to our channel or old to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification and stay connected with the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, as you can clearly see, it is a mold, and now we have not given the draft angle. So you can see that how tough to eject out the product, and you can clearly see some scratch mark would be there if we are just putting out the product in this format of 90-degree angle without giving any draft angle. So the product quality will suffer. Now in another mold I have given some draft angle, as you can clearly see. Now the ejection of the product is quite easy, and there should not be any vacuum because of the space, a minute space, a micron space created by the help of draft angle. So the air will escape out, and thus will prevent molding a vacuum. So now you can see this product, and you can clearly see how the draft angle has been made inside the product so that the product can be ejected out easily in a proper way. Now with another illustrated example, I'm going to show you the draft angle. As you can see clearly, this is a mold, and in this mold there is no draft angle. It's a 90-degree mold, and now I'm ejecting out the product, and you can clearly see I need some force to eject it out, and also there is some collision with the collision of the product with the mold. So the mold will damage your product. The scratch will be there in your product at the time of ejection. So now I'll show you in another mold where I have given some draft angle. You can see from here that this mold have some draft angle. So when we will eject out this particular product from the mold with the help of draft angle, there will not be any collision, no any vacuum will be formed, and the product will be ejected in a proper way, in a good quality. So the draft angle is very important, guys. If you have liked my video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel, and stay connected with the Plastotech, the world of